Hello, everybody! Today's video is going to be a kind of get ready with me tutorial-esque video on this look. It's inspired by Natalie Eva. She is a ex-WWE star. She has her own clothing line now. She's doing boss moves. Shout out to you, girl. I will link her Instagram down below, and I'll also pop in like the little inspiration video, or I guess boomerang, that inspired me to do this look. But if you guys want to see how to get this, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so I was gonna do this as like a tutorial, but I think I'm gonna do this as like a get ready with me kind of thing instead. Just because if I'm gonna sit here in silence, I might as well like talk. I don't know if I'm the only person that like thinks about stuff like this, but like, so my window's open right now and my neighbor's across the street. I think someone is like disabled, I'm pretty sure, because they have one of those like little ramps that like gets rid of the stairs. Like it's not like this, but like it's if you were to put like a wood board over the stairs so that someone in a wheelchair could like go down. It's not made of a wood board, but like that's the idea. And I heard them saying like, no, like go back. And like, do you ever think about how like there are like so many people in the world and like everyone is like just like doing their own thing. Like they don't know who I am, like I don't really know who they are, and we just like go about like our daily lives, and like everything that like affects you and you think about, like everyone, like other people have no idea about. Like I don't know, I think about that sometimes. Like I don't know, I just think it's crazy. But so right now I'm going in with Orb from the Morphe 3502 palette. And one thing that you guys will start to notice as I start to upload like more makeup videos is that I use a lot of the same colors, but what changes is my like accent colors. So a lot of my base colors are the same. Like I always use Orb on my lid. I always use Spice and or Brick in my crease. And right now I'm going to use both. And then right now, I don't really know what I want to do yet, but I think let's do, what haven't I done in like a while? Oh my god, I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to insert a little clip right here of, okay, so there's this WWE, well, ex-WWE, like, women's wrestler, and I used to watch WWE Divas, and her name is like Natalie Eva, and I follow her on social media. And yesterday she did this like photo shoot, I guess. She has like a clothing brand, and she had the most beautiful eye look I've ever seen. It was like pink, like blown out, and then like a kind of like a dark like sparkly lid. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, it was literally beautiful. Alright, so we're in the Dare to Create palette, and we're gonna take the color Vibrant, which is like a brick red with like brown. We're going to pop that on in our crease. And kind of like buff that up towards the brow bone. Okay, next we are going to take the color Mass in the same palette. It's just like a dark chocolate brown, and put that in our outer crease. Just a little bit, to kind of darken up this party. Then we're gonna take the color Passion, which is like a cranberry kind of purple red color, and just buff that in our entire crease. I'm literally already so excited, and I'm not even close to being done. Sorry, I thought someone was like, I don't know. Okay, so we are buffing that into our crease. We're gonna do a little more of that actually. Okay, so now, same brush, we're gonna actually no, go back to the brush that we used with Vibrant and Mass, and we're gonna go in with the color Forever, which is like a dark purple. And then we're gonna pop that in the outer crease slash corner. And now that I'm thinking about it, hers wasn't, it wasn't like a close-up picture. I mean, as you saw, it was like a boomerang kind of thing. And I don't think hers was this dark. I think I'm just obsessed with like dark makeup for no reason. So we're gonna take the color Create, which is like a, like, this shit's bright, a pink color. And we're gonna buff that into our crease to kind of brighten this up a little bit. This is the color Tuscany. It's a hot pot from Coastal Scents. It's like just a light pink color. And we're going to use that to kind of diffuse what's going on up here. We are going to take the 3502 palette and more of like a fluffy brush and the color Chestnut and add that. Okay, so the lid color that we're going to start with is called Bronze Chrome from the Dare to Create palette. And we're just going to pop that on the lid. Okay, then we are going to use the color Granite on top of that. And then one more layer of Granite, I think. Okay, so I'm going to do my other eye, pop on some lashes, and then I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I wasn't really happy with like how pink, or how not pink it was, so I took like a really densely packed kind of dome brush, went back in with the color Create, and then also kind of used that to buff out the lid color I used, but also just to add more pink into like my crease. So I'm going to touch it up with Bronze Chrome one more time. If my mirror is blocking my face right now, I'm going to be a little bit tight. And then pop some Granite right back on top of that. Okay. This is much better. Much better. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to use are... Okay, so I'm going to use D18s again. I promise in the next tutorial I will use different lashes, but I just love how like big and like blown out these are. Okay, we're going to take this brush and the color Spice from the 3502 and just buff that underneath as kind of like a prep, I guess, for like the rest of like the more intense colors we're gonna do. Okay, then same brush, the color Terracotta, same brush Chestnut, and I'm gonna kind of drag this out a lot farther than I usually do for like my regular everyday makeup, because she was at a photo shoot, so obviously everything is just like extra glam. So this is going to be a lot more, I guess you could say, like blown out. One more round of chestnut. Then back to the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Tuscany, which is again like that really light pink color. Then our Dare to Create child. And we're going to go in with a different brush, this one, and take the color, what is that, Passion. And little makeup hack for you, if you get really bad under eye creasing, dragging your lower lid shadow down can kind of help, not prevent that, but like hide it a little bit better. So that's just a little tip for you. Then we're going to go back in with that really densely packed dome brush and take the color Create, which is our star of the show today. And I'm dragging it here because when I stop with my top eyeshadow, I take a wipe and wipe off the excess, and I made a really sharp kind of angle, which is what I usually do, and her look was more kind of blown out, not as sharp, so I'm kind of recreating that blown out effect instead of keeping it so sharp. Okay. I really think it's safe to say that I am obsessed with his makeup look. I think it's so freaking cute and so fun. We're gonna hit that one more time. Now I'm satisfied. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I think it's safe to say that I'm literally like obsessed. I just think it's so fun. Like, I think this is one of the best makeup looks I've ever done, just because it's like so blown out, it's so sultry, and I also think I like it so much because I'm wearing pink, so like just the pink on the eyes, the pink on the shirt, it's tying everything together. So yeah, that's, oh, you guys are like a little high. Okay, so that's it for today's little makeup sesh. If you guys like this video, be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. But yeah, that's it for today's little video. I hope you guys really liked it because I love it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.